I no longer like this fan. This fan is just garbage. It's just shit.
No fuck way, it's too fucking hard. And if
I had many problems with the fan. First of all, it's getting pretty slow. Second of all, it is wobbly and noisy. And yeah, what I have here is a piece of shit. Oh, you piece of shit. Stop this piece of shit, you fucking piece of shit. This guy droops, but it's better than the Harbor Breeze Port Severn because that thing is a piece of shit! You piece of shit! Yep. Oh shit. What happened there? Oh, hot. Yeah, better than the Port Severn. And my mom. This fan is probably the slowest fan we have right here. She says it's better than the Harbor Breeze Port Severn. You guys think the Mateo is slow? Dude, the freaking Harbor Breeze Port Severn is the slowest fan here. Literally.